Gorffennol Mynd. Ble, sut es ti? In this unit, you will learn the past tense of the verb mynd, meaning to go. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Repeat after me. Ble est ti? Where did you go? Singular. Ble aethoch chi? Where did you go? Formal, plural. Es I i'r ysbyty. I went to the hospital. Es I i'r ardd. I went to the garden. Es I i'r caffi. I went to the cafe. The first I in this phrase relates to the person I in English. And the second I means to. If you want to convey the meaning I went to somewhere, you will need both. To ask the question, did you go? Using the informal ti, you simply change the tone of your voice. Can you hear the difference? Es ti? You went. Es ti? Did you go? Let's practice asking some questions using both ti and chi. Es ti am dro i'r parc? Did you go for a walk in the park? Aethoch chi i'r ardd? Did you go to the garden? Da iawn. When answering all mynd questions in the past, singular and plural, the answer is always either do in the affirmative or naddo in the negative. Edrychwch. Look at the following examples. Es ti i'r parc? Do. Neu, do. Es I i'r parc? Aethoch chi i'r ardd? Naddo. Neu, naddo. Es I ddim i'r ardd. You can also see that to form a negative sentence, we simply add the word ddim. Es I ddim. I didn't go. Gwych. Nawr, let's learn sut est ti. How did you go? Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Say after me. Sut est ti i'r ysbyty? Neu, sut aethoch chi i'r ysbyty? Es I mewn car. I went in a car. Es I mewn taxi. I went in a taxi. We use mewn to say in a. There is no mutation after mewn. Es ti mewn car? Did you go in a car? Do. Es I mewn car? Aethoch chi mewn taxi? Did you go in a taxi? Naddo. Es I ddim mewn taxi. And to use ar, to say on a, ar causes a treiglad meddal, a soft mutation. Enghraifft, for example, es I ar fws. I went on a bus. Es I ar drên. I went on a train. Gadewch I ni ymarfer. Let's practice some possible questions and answers. Dywedwch ar fy ôl I. Es ti mewn taxi? Do. Es I mewn taxi? Naddo. Es I ddim mewn taxi. Es I mewn car. Da iawn. Cofiwch, dych chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo yma eto I adolygu. Remember, you can watch this video again if you wish to revise. Pob lwc.